Hey man, next year, 2024, Jordan Brand has a lot of heat for us in store, and I cannot wait to see a couple of these things in hand. There's a couple on this list that I am highly anticipating for 2024, man. What's going on YouTube, man? Thanks for tapping into today's video, man. It's always greatly appreciated for you guys to pull up. And in this video, man, I'm challenging you guys to comment down below what you're most anticipating next year as far as Jordan releases in 2024, man. Super interested in knowing. And I know it's a couple on the list. Like I said, I'm gonna highlight and I'm gonna let you guys know I'm putting my full emphasis, my full energy towards copying these things, adding to the collection. There's a couple of new colorways that I've never seen before that Jordan Brand is bringing out that I'm highly interested in as well, man. So if you guys are new to the channel right now, what I need you to do, man, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Hit the notification bell for your boys to miss out on any content that we drop. You guys already know, man, we dropped a couple of early heat that's dropping next year already on the channel, which you're going to show again today. One being the Olive 5s and the Air Jordan 1 Yellow Ochres. So if you guys want to tap into that, go check out the channel. Or I'm going to link those two videos down below in the description box, man. All right, guys. So I think it's, you know what I'm saying, fair to note that me personally, I think that the Air Jordan 4 Reimagined breads will be like the talk of being the sneaker of the year. You know what I'm saying? And last year, or this year still, the Air Jordan 3 Reimagined white cements still to me have to be the best sneaker to release this year. One of those OG colorways that everybody was highly anticipated. They gave us a little spin off with it being a reimagined look, age look, midsole kind of age and all that good stuff. But next year, I'm telling y'all, bro, how these breads gonna be going. I think the reimagined things will be that talk for being sneaker of the year. We'll be getting this release in March, if I'm not mistaken, or February, one of the two, and I am hearing that's going to be a shock drop sometime here shortly, probably like beginning of January, a shock drop over the Air Jordan 4 bread reimagined. But if we get more information and stuff like that, of course I'm gonna drop them gems for you guys, so you know exactly what's in store for us as far as shock drops next year in 2024, man. And for the first Air Jordan 1 release next year in January, I think it's January the 11th or the 12th, under 2, we will be getting the Air Jordan 1 Yellow Ochres. And these right here, like I said, we kind of got a similar drop with the best hand in the game pack, which I'm gonna grab real quick. You know what I'm saying? Something similar. You got that same yellow ochre hit on the back right here on the best hand in the game pack, but they did a whole on, you know, yellow ochre vibe with the toe box, side panels, and all that good stuff. Super dope Air Jordan 1. Not gonna be something a lot of people's going after, but if you guys are gonna be grabbing these things, let us know down below. And then next, bruh, we just showed these on the channel a couple of days ago. We have the Air Jordan 5 Olives, man. If this don't scream classic Jordan 5 colorway to you, I don't know what it is, bro. This is definitely something that I was highly anticipating. As soon as I seen who was getting these, I was all over it. You guys will be seeing a review and on feet coming very shortly. And these dropped in March, if I'm not mistaken. March 2024, we'll be getting the Air Jordan 5 Olives back for everybody, man. And then next, we're going to be talking about the Air Jordan 1 Metallic Red, but it's not going to be in your regular Air Jordan 1 cut. It's going to be in that high 85 cut. So you're going to have a higher Air Jordan 1, you'll have a higher tongue and a lot of good stuff. This your OG high 85 cut on the metallic red Air Jordan 1s that will be coming out. I don't think it's any specific date yet, but I am here in February, March time frame. We'll be getting that pair. But these right here, man, been through a storm, bro. I've been beating these things up since I copped them back in like 2018, if I'm not mistaken, bro. Love them, had to have them, but now we're gonna be getting a high 85 cut. So you guys let me know how you feeling about the spinoff of the metallic red Air Jordan 1s that we'll be getting next year. And I'm checking right here, we also gonna be getting the powder blue Air Jordan 9s. And me myself, I do not have a lot of 9s, so I probably won't be going after these too crazy. But if you guys will, let us know. And something I've been going super crazy over lately is the Air Jordan 5s, and we'll be getting a lucky green Air Jordan 5. And I think this is a woman's exclusive. I'm not too sure. Of course, when we get closer to the release date, I'm gonna put you guys on, but I am hearing this is a woman's exclusive. If not, if it's a regular men's drop, that'd be even better for us. If you guys remember the Pure Money Air Jordan 4s, or the metallic red Air Jordan 4s, or the metallic purples that dropped a couple years back, you guys know this next thing I'm about to show y'all right here, the metallic gold Air Jordan 4s are gonna go crazy, gonna be going for a lot of bread. Every single Air Jordan 4 that they drop with that predominantly white upper and that nice quality leather flies like hotcakes, and the resale market definitely shows. And then along with those all white Air Jordan 4s that showed y'all the metallic golds, we'll be getting like a Pure Money spin-off of an Air Jordan 3. You guys are going to see these right here. We got the Pure Money 3s dropped back in 2019, if I'm not mistaken, with all translucent blue outsoles. But with these right here, It's a little different. Kind of has like a sail overtone around the whole sneaker, and it has a Jumpman and a Nike Air on the back. Hopefully I can find some pictures to show y'all, but them things is crazy. And I know you guys probably tired of the yellow on these Jordan sneakers, but we also be getting the yellow ochre Air Jordan 6s. The same color blocking you got with your Carmines, but they're gonna be yellow, and these are the Air Jordan 6 yellow ochres. And you got these like funky Air Jordan 14s. I gotta call them funky because a lot going on with them. Very loud sneaker. Kind of give you like some iridescent vibes, so I'm giving up my own name to the sneaker. The iridescent Air Jordan 14s. Are you going after those? And who don't love gold on their Air Jordan sneakers, man? Right here next we have the metallic gold Air Jordan 1s. It's a regular Air Jordan 1, no high 85 cut to it. And these right here, I definitely think will translate well as far as people want to get a nice clean Air Jordan 1, nice little pop of gold, pop out on a special occasion. Me, myself, I'm gonna try to snag a pair. And that's not the only Air Jordan 1. We got a lot of Air Jordan 1s releasing next year. And you have these panda looking Air Jordan 1s. I'm pretty sure they're gonna be called like the black and white Air Jordan 1s. But me, myself, I'm cool on them, don't need them at all. But if you guys would be interested in them, let us know down below. And I cannot believe I got this far without mentioning probably the number 2, or maybe even go down as the best sneaker of 2024, which happens to be another Air Jordan 4, and that is the military blue guys, man. Them things are so cold. I always remember growing up, you know what I'm saying, wanting that sneaker. And now Jordan Brand is finally bringing it back out. Look like the full OG cut and everything. Quality looks amazing. It's off of those first initial images. And I think right here, between the Reimagined 4s and these military blue guys, hey, they might both go down as like neck and neck as the best sneaker of 2024, man. But let me know how you feeling about them. Are you copying them? Are you passing them? Are you doubling or tripling up? I know me myself, man, I need at least 2 pair of them guys, man. And then last but not least, we have these midnight navy Air Jordan 1 lows, and this is in the 85 cut. So super interesting seeing how they come in. It kind of has the same vibe as the Air Jordan 1 low black toes that we got, the big wing logo on the back, but it does have that midnight navy color all over it. Super basic sneaker, but those basic Air Jordan 1s that do be coming out, people love them because they're super versatile as far as rocking. So with all the sneakers I showed you guys today, please let us know down below, man, which ones you're going after, which one are your top 2, your top 3, which one you're going at putting that energy towards. I am super interested. I need everybody to comment that ASAP Rocky, man. I appreciate all the support, man. Thank you guys for tapping into today's video. Make sure you subscribe if you have not subscribed already. Hit that like button and make sure you comment down below. Let us know how you feel about this topic that we had introduced to you guys today, man. Well, all this being said, man, your boy The Vintage is going to catch you in the next video, man. Peace.